Hey guys, and welcome back to Crouton Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make these twisted wire ornament hangers. These ornament hangers, they look kind of complicated to make. They really are not. They're made using 3 colors of wire, and they add an extra little something to your handmade ornaments. So without further ado, let's get started. Supplies that you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need some wire. I have red, green, and gold wire, and I no longer have the tags for these, but I am almost positive that these are 18 gauge wire. You could also use 20 gauge, that's perfectly fine. Basically what you want to get is the heaviest colored wire that you can find. 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 is just way too thin of a wire. It's not going to work for these. You put any weight on those, they're just going to bend. So try to stick with 16, 18, or 20. And these rolls, they're only a few dollars each, and these will make a ton of ornament hangers. You're also going to need a screwdriver, wire cutters, jewelry pliers or regular pliers, and a drill. Cordless drill is what I'm using here. You can use a corded drill, that's perfectly fine. So what you want to do is take some lengths of wire, just unravel these. I've already done that to save time here, and I've got 3 strands of wire here. 1 red, 1 gold, 1 green. Now normally I would use wire that is, 3 or 4 feet long to do this, but I'm just using a, 10, 12 inch section here just so it fits into the video. What you want to do is take your ends here, and all 3 of these pieces are roughly the same length. You just want to take the end, fold this over like this. You're just making a hoop that, like that your drill can hold on to. So what I'm going to do is take my drill here and take this loop here, put it right in, tighten this down, because you don't want this to come undone when you're doing this, so tighten it down nice and firm. Now what you want to do is take your other end, and I'm going to move this so you can see the end. You want to pull your wires straight as far as they will go. Pull them straight, and then take another screwdriver or a dowel, something that you can wrap this end around. Take these 3 end pieces, and again, you just want to secure this. And this is what's we're going to use to hold the wire as we twist it. Now the reason for the drill is so we can twist this wire. And I don't know how well you can see, if we can get this in frame, all of it there. So I'm going to hold my screwdriver here, and I'm going to slowly turn on my drill, and you're going to watch this wire twist. Now you want to kind of put some tension on this, not a lot, but some, and you just want to turn your drill on. And you want to go slow here, and you can see how the drill twists that wire. Now you need to hold tension on your screwdriver here, otherwise this twist will not be even. And you want this to be as even as possible. So just hold on to this. Let's see if I can get the drill tip in there. And you want an adjustable speed drill here, because you don't want to put this on full blast. You're just going to whip the screwdriver right out of your hand. So, and you just want to keep twisting this until it gets a nice, clean, tight twist to it. And that is about what I want. Now you don't want to go too far with this, because you will break your wire, and you don't want that to happen. I'm going to give it just a couple more. That's good. Now don't let go of the screwdriver quite yet, because there is some tension built up in this thing. So kind of relieve the tension, and then you can take your screwdriver out. Sorry for all the banging there. Now release this end of the wire from your drill, and here is our wire blank. this is what we are going to make these out of. Now to get this shape here, I just kind of freeformed one of these and based all my others around the one that I freeformed. It's just a generic S-hook shape. You can find this shape on the Google or put it against the white here. Screen cap that, put it into your paint program on your computer and print it off or trace it off of your screen, whatever. It's just a generic S shape, like I said. So to get this shape, I'm gonna take a Sharpie marker, and this is what I'm going to use to start the first wrap. And all I'm doing is holding the end here, and I'm gonna wrap this around about 1 1/3 times or so. And I'm gonna turn this over. So I'm gonna work this way. And you just wanna unfurl this a little bit so it gets to the general shape of that right there. So that's kind of general shape. I'm gonna take my wire cutters and trim this end. And make sure to use a nice sharp pair of wire cutters so you get a nice clean cut. You're gonna lay this around here, and you can see how this isn't quite hooked around like my other one. So I'm gonna take my jewelry pliers here and just kind of pull it around, measure it with my master. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, just close enough is good, like that. Then you want to mark, just kind of hold where this next one is. So I want to start my top loop right about there. I'm going to take my screwdriver now, and starting there, wrap the other end. This one I'm going to wrap about 1 1/4 times, 1 1/3 times again. You just kind of eyeball it. This one is quite a bit lower than that one. So you want to pay attention to how long these are, because you want them about 2 inches in length. So get my screwdriver here, curl a little bit more of that. And once you get into the hang of things, this goes really quickly. It doesn't take all this fuss, and this is the first one I've made today, so this looks about right. Just kind of twist it and make sure that it's how you like it, and then trim off again the extra. And there you go. You just kind of want to bend this flat, if you will. If you have a rubber mallet, you can kind of pound on it a little bit. That sets the twist. But there you go. That's how you make the hooks. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, or with this end piece. See if I can't get another hook out of this. Let's kind of get them in the shape. That looks pretty good. I'm going to take this and twist this down just a little bit. And there you go. You got yourself another ornament hanger. So you can whip these out really quick if you use, a long 3 or 4 foot piece of wire. You need about 6 inches of wire to make each one of these. So there you go. That's how you make the twisted wire ornament hangers. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to watch more craft videos. I have a couple more coming out before Christmas, hopefully. So there you go. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.